Hey fellas, this is Sarna's English Quiz. Welcome. There are 10 questions here and you have 5 seconds to answer each one. You may pause the video if you need more time. Choose the correct pronoun. Question number 1. One way is walking along this lane and A. Either, B. The other, C. The others, D. Other is taking the bus. And the correct answer was B. One way is walking along this lane and the other is taking the bus. Question number 2. A. Whomever, B. Whoever, C. Whichever, D. Whenever you feel the need, do not hesitate to call us. Very good, the answer was D. Whenever you feel the need, do not hesitate to call us. Number 3. It is a shame that A. All of, B. Either, C. Both of, D. Neither of us can solve the easiest problem. You know this one. It was D. It is a shame that neither of us can solve the easiest problem. Question number 4. What are you trying to tell me by saying that you are better than A. Mine, B. His, C. Their, D. I? And the correct answer was D again. What are you trying to tell me by saying that you are better than I? Question number 5. Both of the films are available at the moment. You can choose A. Each, B. Both, C. Every, D. Either of them. Excellent, the answer was D. Both of the films are available at the moment. You can choose either of them. Number 6. I haven't brought my wallet with A. Mine, B. I, C. Me, D. Myself. And C was the correct answer. I haven't brought my wallet with me. Question number 7. Here's the exact place. A. Where, B. Whom, C. When, D. Which I first saw you. And it was easy too. The answer was A. Here's the exact place where I first saw you. Question number 8. I would drink A. Whatever, B. Anything, C. Something, D. Whose cool in this hot weather. Fabulous. The answer was C again. I would drink something cool in this hot weather. Number 9. They. A. Neither, B. Any, C. All, D. Every packed their suitcases for the travel. And as you've selected, the answer was C again. They all packed their suitcases for the travel. Let's see the last question. Question number 10. Just stop and think. A. Me, B. For yourself, C. Yourself, D. About yourself. For a while. And the correct answer was D. Just stop and think about yourself for a while. I knew that you can do this. How many of these questions did you answer correctly? I hope it was perfect. Share your score and comment and compete with others. And don't forget to like and subscribe.